So good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start with our grammar topic, that is conjunctions. So let us first understand what are conjunctions. You might have heard the word junction, which means joining. So when we talk about conjunctions, it means joining of two what? Words. Those may be nouns, pronouns, adjectives. She's smart and intelligent. Here, smart and intelligent adjectives. We have used conjunction and to join these sentences. It may join two phrases also. It may join two sentences also. So the words which are used to join two nouns, pronouns, sentences, phrases, adjectives are called conjunctions. Now there are three types of conjunctions. First is coordinating, then subordinating and correlating. When I talk about coordinating conjunctions are those words which join the sentences, join two sentences of equal rank. Now, when I say that they join two sentences, two independent sentences, and those sentences are of equal rank, it means they are independent, they make their own sense, right? And they have equal rank. When I say equal rank, it means both the sentences have their own subject, have their own verb, right? So the words which join such kind of sentences are called coordinating conjunctions. And what are the examples? And, but, etc. Now give an example. Yes. Ram and Sham. यहाँ पे हमने दो pronouns को ऐड किया, right? Sorry, दो nouns को. Right? I like to dance, but she likes to sing. Right? I like to dance, independent sentence है, she likes to sing, independent है. We have joined these two sentences using conjunction. But इक्वल रैंक है इनका अपना सब्जेक्ट है, अपना वर्ब है, इंडिपेंडेंट सेंस बना रहे हैं. Right? So these are coordinating conjunctions. Now coming to second type, that is subordinating. Subordinate का मतलब क्या होता है? To assist someone, to help someone. वो मेरा subordinate है, helper है, assist करता है मुझे मेरे काम में. तो subordinating conjunctions जो होते हैं are the words which join two sentences, one of which is dependent on the other sentence, जिसमें एक सेंटेंस जो है अपनी सेंस कंप्लीट करने के लिए दूसरे सेंटेंस पे डिपेंड करता है, राइट? अब मैंने लिखा दैट शी इज happy. Does that make complete sense? That she is happy. Doesn't make sense. अब मैंने इसको लिख दिया, I know that she is happy. Now its sense is complete. Dependent on another sentence to make complete sense. So ये कौन सी conjunction हो गई? That. So that is subordinate. Then coming to third type, which is correlative. अब correlative conjunctions की बात करें तो as the name suggests itself, they correlate. Correlate किससे करते हैं? They correlate to the words that are used to used in pair, but they are used to denote correlation between the things and or the fact, right? They are used in pairs. They are the examples which are, they are I hope the board is clearly visible to everyone. So correlatives are the words that are used to denote correlation between the things and facts. They are used in pairs. जैसे कि neither nor either or, right? Anji. So I hope this is clear. The types of conjunctions are clear to you. So as we have learned that there are different types of conjunctions, coordinating, subordinating, and correlative. So on the board, you can see the examples. For coordinating conjunctions, there is an abbreviation which we keep in mind to remember all the coordinating conjunctions. That is SAN boys. SAN boys, where S stands for, A and N nor. Now here what you need to keep in mind is we are using nor all alone. It is not used with neither. जब neither के साथ use होगा, then it will be correlative conjunction. But, or, yet, so. And boys, these are coordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions, a few examples are there in front of you. That, if, before, after, though, whenever, even if, till, until, unless. Now, unless is used with condition, until is used with time. When we talk about time, then it is until, and when we talk about any condition, then it is unless. Then moving further, correlative, that is either or. These are also called paired conjunctions because they are used in pair. Either or, neither nor, both and, such as, not only but also, so as, so that. These are all the examples, a few examples of the conjunctions which we do, right? I hope this is clear to you. Now further we'll get more clarity when we do the sentences, when we practice the sentences. So let us move further and discuss a few sentences. So now coming to the exercise which is in your book, exercise 1. It is chapter, I think 20, chapter 20, exercise 1. We'll discuss first 10 sentences where what you are to do, the instruction is you are just to pick up the kind, pick up the conjunction and tell its kind whether it is subordinating or coordinating. So we'll discuss the sentences, take 2 minutes to do first 10 sentences, and this will make you clear about your concept of types of conjunction. So we are going to discuss exercise 1. Yes, Jannat, boliye beta. I'll give you rights to unmute, so you can unmute yourself. I'll just take your name and you can unmute yourself. Anji Jannat.
If no radical steps are taken to weed out corruption, people might lose faith in the government. If subordinating conjunction.
Right answer is subordinating conjunction. Yes, Mahir.
Yes, ma'am. In the second sentence, while the candidate waited for his turn, I quickly glanced through his resume. Ma'am, यहाँ पे while is the conjunction coordinating.
Subordinate. This is subordinating. While is subordinating conjunction. Because for is not working here as a conjunction. For is not working as a conjunction in this sentence. While is subordinating conjunction. Yes, next sentence. Anyone from class? Yes, Nishka. Unless subordinating conjunction, right answer. Yes, Jay. Fourth sentence. Time was given to you to do.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji bete.
I cannot.
Yes, Jay. Speak the sentence again. Speak the sentence again, Jay.
I cannot respond to your queries for I have yet to go through the file for
Which conjunction is it? You are muted. You are on mute.
coordinating conjunction.
Yes, this is coordinating conjunction. For here is working as reason because so coordinating conjunction. Yes, Josh, speak next sentence. Whether is subordinating. Anji. Next. Sukman. She is one of the 6 sentences you are speaking, right? Yes. Yet is coordinating conjunction.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ankit. Yes, wife, I'll get back to you. Let me discuss this sentence and then we'll discuss. Anji bete. As though. Pronunciation of the word is though, as though. And this is subordinating, right answer. Jai Anji. Next, Arush. Unmute yourself and 8th sentence.
Ma'am, I don't have book and
Arush, you're not audible. Jannat.
Yes, ma'am. The file cannot be assessed until the correct code number is fed in, until subordinating conjunction.
Until subordinating conjunction, right answer. Ritika, next sentence. Bete. Yes, I think she is not there. हाँ जी माहिर, बोलिए बेटा.
Ma'am, 9th sentence.
हाँ जी बेटे.
Yes, ma'am, there are special areas earmarked for commercial activities, so you cannot open a shop where you like. Ma'am, so coordinating.
So coordinating, and there is one more. Where you like, where subordinate. I hope all the sentences are clear to you.